Welcome to Kotlin in 3 minutes, or less, hopefully. Start off by downloading IntelliJ, that way it comes with Kotlin installed. Create a new project with Kotlin selected and give it a name. Once you hit create, it opens up this editor, and as you can see on the left we've got a source directory. Right click on source and create a new Kotlin file, call it anything you want. Now to write a hello world program in Kotlin, start off by writing fun main to create a main function and create a print line inside saying hello world. Now click on the play button to run it. As you can see, it displays hello world, and what you might also notice is it actually mentions Java Virtual Machine. Now Kotlin was built to be a good replacement for Java. In fact, Kotlin became the preferred language of choice to develop Android apps. Because Kotlin is completely interoperable with Java, you can progressively swap out Java code for Kotlin code. And because it runs on the JVM, it runs everywhere that Java does. In fact, Kotlin goes way beyond just Android apps. You can use Kotlin multi-platform to develop for Android, iOS, web, and desktop, as well as server environments, which is what I'm demoing now. Kotlin is one of the most elegant languages to ever exist. It's type-safe and null-safe. In Kotlin, you prefer to use constants over variables. So to create a new constant, use the keyword val, and then follow it by the variable name, as well as the data type. If you want the data type to be potentially null, add a question mark after. That way you can assign it to nothing. You can also create variables in Kotlin by using the var keyword. And in fact, you don't actually need to use the type while creating variables. As you can see, it can infer the type by using the value provided. Kotlin supports a bunch of high-level language features, such as anonymous functions. In fact, in Kotlin they're called lambda functions. Start off by creating a constant called higher order. That's the name for our function. We'll also define the types. So we want an integer parameter and an integer output. In Kotlin, if there's only one parameter in the function header, you can actually just leave it out and use the keyword it. So it plus 1. And finally, let's use this function by doing print line and then calling higher order with the value 3. And if we run this function by clicking the play sign, we can see that we get 4 out. Kotlin also supports synchronous and asynchronous functions by using suspense and Kotlin coroutines. Hit like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more.